Welcome everybody to my channel. This is Utopia Trading. This is Tony coming at you. Just wanted to thank you for stopping by. Obviously, you're here because you're interested in trading penny stocks, or more specifically, maybe you're in the stock ANDI. This group was created from a whole bunch of guys that were in ANDI, the stock, penny stock, and we were so excited about this stock. We started our own chat group and started talking about it. Well, it kind of branched off and got bigger from there. And now we talk about other stocks and penny stock plays, specifically triple zero penny stock plays. And we just enjoy talking about the stock market and different ideas and strategies, and other people like are learning. So we have investors that are very, very beginning all the way to really advanced. We have people that are playing with a couple $100 up to people playing with $10,000s of dollars. So it's a group for anybody. You're welcome to join. We have a Discord chat group. You can download that app on your phone, or you can go to the website. It's let me show you real quick. It should be right here, Discord app.com. You can also download it in your app store on your phone. So once you do that, the link is in the description for our specific chat group. Discord was basically a chat platform that was originally designed for gamers. However, we use it to talk about stocks. So it's a really good platform to use. We have a section, just public chat, where we talk about it could be what we ate that day to what stocks we're looking at, or what our stocks are doing during the trading hours. We also have sections on watch list. People post what stocks they're in or what stocks they're looking at. We have a news section that posts news that you find on stocks, or other people post news that they found on certain stocks. We have a video section where links to my videos that I make are listed, so you can go back and watch them easily instead of having to go to YouTube or whatever. I would recommend and very much appreciate a like and a subscribe, and you're welcome to join our group, or if not, just you can subscribe and get my videos as they come out. This is not a normal channel. I do not necessarily make videos every week at a certain time or whatnot. I typically make videos on demand for our members when they call a specific request. So our members will say, hey, can you make a video about this specific topic? And then I will make a video on that topic. So a lot of my current videos are more advanced videos as far as charting goes on the Thinkorswim platform. But I am also going to, here in the near future, go back and make some more beginning videos to get people that are new in the triple penny stock game up to speed. So stay tuned for that if that's who you are. Also, if you join our Discord chat group, it's completely free. You can reach me there, and I'll be able to make a video specific to your needs. So with that being said, I use Thinkorswim platform, which is through TD Ameritrade. It's one of the best charting softwares you can get that's completely free. You go on TD Ameritrade's website, you can download the Thinkorswim platform. You don't have to put any money in your account, and you can have access to this. So like myself, I actually trade through E-Trade, but I use Thinkorswim platform to do all my analysis because it's a better platform. So you can get that without having to pay for it. So one other thing you can do is when you log in to the Thinkorswim platform, you can choose a paper money account or a real account. I'm on my real account right here, but you can also do simulated trades as you're practicing to get better before you actually put real money in the market. So I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, to do that and start making trades and start learning the charts and start learning due diligence and how to do the research, because that will get you more comfortable. And then once you feel like you're at a comfortable level, then you can switch over to a real account through TD Ameritrade, or you can open an account somewhere else and trade through them and just still use the Thinkorswim platform to do your analysis. So, and that's typically what I do. How to get all this stuff set up will be in another video. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what Utopia is all about, and the different stuff we actually use and what we talk about. So real quick, before I end the video, we use Discord to chat all day long. I'm pretty much on there 24/7. And then we obviously have YouTube, and then OTC markets. So OTC markets tells you the information about the pink sheet penny stocks you want to know. There's different levels of pink sheets. So when you first get into stocks, this is a great tool to use. And so basically, a stock will get listed to a pink sheet once it starts reporting its earnings and what they're doing in the company. You can get upgraded to OTCQB or OTCQX, but those are different reporting standards and different level of scrutiny as far as that. When you go on OTC markets and you type in a stock quote, you might come across a stock that doesn't say pink. It might actually have a different symbol. It might have a yield sign. The yield sign tells you right here, designed for companies with financial reporting problems or bankruptcy. So that's giving you a red flag. Maybe you don't want to get into that stock. A stop sign means that it doesn't report, they're not reporting their earnings. And that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad thing. It just means that it'll be high, it's higher risk, right? Until you actually know what the company is reporting their earnings, and you don't really know if they're making money or not. So they're not required to report. But if they want to get somewhere with their stock one day and maybe be listed on the NASDAQ, that's the starting point. So when a company removes their stop sign and becomes full pink status, that would be a really good thing for your stock. Once they're in the pink status, then they're going to get a lot more support because people can actually see what their earnings are doing and all that kind of stuff. Then once they get to the next level, which would be QB, their stock price has to be validated to be around, I believe it's 1 cent or higher, and they have to be fully reporting. And because in the pink market, you can do alternate reporting and only report certain things or whatever. When you get to QB, you have to be fully reporting. I believe you have to have an audit done by a private party, and you have to be valued at 1 penny. So that's a true penny stock. We typically try to trade before they get to that level because there's a lot of profit to be made from a sub penny stock to all the way up to a penny when it gets there. So that's the first website that I wanted to talk about, and you can where you can find this information is under corporate services tab, and it says information about pink companies, right? And then there's all this different stuff. There's also a learn tab. How do the pink stocks get traded? What are the reporting standards? What's caveat emptor? That means buy at your own risk type thing. That's a skull and crossbones instead of a stop sign. So there's all this information here. It's great to, if you want to learn, I'd suggest reading through this stuff first before you get started. Then there's a tab for OTCQB and QX, and it talks about what they're about. And then you can actually go to, and there's an actual part to show you what they're required to report and all that kind of stuff. So this is a great website for just straight putting in any stock. So I can just type in any old stock. We got started on Andy, you put in Andy, and then as you can see, it's a pink. If the company has a stop sign, it'll show you right there, or any other kind of symbol will tell you what's going on with your stock. It's an easy way to research a company real quick. The next website we use is Investors Hub. Investors Hub is basically a really old forum, but we still use it to talk about stocks and find what people are into these days and what they're looking at and whatnot. So that's another way to find information on your stock. So as you can see, number 1 on the list is ANDI. If you click on that, you can search for any stock using the search function. It'll bring up kind of a simplified quote on it, and you can see the basic information there. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, there'll be people chatting about it and whatnot here, you know, and then you can see what the discussions are going on in that. If you actually do a search for a stock, it'll actually search and show everything on their site that has to do with that ticker symbol. So there's actually a board. So that's what we were just looking at, the ticker board, but there's actually a forum board about this stock. So if you were to click here, it'll actually bring up all the stuff that people have found out about the company. So you can start here, and typically the beginning talks about what, you know, what the company is about, what they do. And a lot of times they'll have listed who the CEO is and that kind of thing, and press releases that they've had and whatnot, and their share structure size, how many shares they have outstanding and whatnot, and all sorts of information that the board leader has posted. And then as you get to the bottom, there will be this giant list of everything everybody's saying. And you can join this website and you can chat in here. We typically do our chatting in the Discord app because, you know, sometimes you don't know if you can trust some of these people, because they could be anybody, right? They could be getting paid by the company to promote. They could be getting paid by somebody else to trash the stock or whatever. But it's a good way to get started and to find out what the general sentiment is about a specific company. There's some of these guys on here like Stewie33 and some other ones you'll see that pop up quite a bit. That, and as you follow what certain people post, you'll see certain people that you like, and that you like their call outs and you like the stocks they pick and whatnot. A lot of these guys are also in our group, so I highly recommend joining our group because it's a good way to weed out from some of the like craziness and the volume of chatting going on. As you can see, this is just one day. It's like every minute somebody's posting something, so it can get kind of to be a lot. So those are the two websites that we kind of use. So I just wanted to touch base on that real quick. That'll get you started. After you get all that set up, then you'll be on your way, and hopefully you'll join our group, subscribe to my video, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Is that even a thing? I don't know. Thumbs up the video. So that would be great. And I hope to see you around, and good luck, and hope you have a green day.